Hello everyone, welcome to PixEdu YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's tutorial, we will show you 4 ways to remove background from the image. Alright, so let's start. First, we will tell you the very simplest way to remove background from the image. Go into your toolbar section and select Marquee tool. Make sure that you have selected your layer. Now click on Select and Mask. And now you have to click on Select Subject. As Photoshop using their AI to select the subject, so it will take some time. Now as you can see, our subject has been selected. Now let's change our view mode into on black to see whether our selection is perfectly selected or not. As you can see, we have some work to do on edges and hair. Let's click on Refine Edge Brush tool. So what Refine Edge Brush tool does? It will allow you to select the areas which need to be corrected. So let's paint on the problematic area. And now you see it's refining our edges and it's pretty much done. Now you might think, why is the hair white and it's not matching going with the black? Let's correct this by going into property sections on the right hand side corner. Now here you can see the output settings, click on it. And check the decontaminated colors. Amount you can control to the amount you like. And have a look at this. Remaining selected area is matching up with the black background. I will show you one more time. Let's uncheck the decontaminated colors. And here you can see we have white patches over here on the selected area over here. And if we check decontaminated colors, you can see our edges and hair is matching with the background. It's look perfect. Let's make an output. Select on output 2 and select a new layer with layer mask. And hit OK. Now have a look at this wonderful. With just one click, we have successfully removed our background. Now you are good to go. Put any background in the image, or you can save this image as an PNG. You can save this image as an PNG also. I hope it was easy to understand. Let's move on to other tools. Go into toolbar section and select Quick Selection tool. With this, you can easily select your area to remove background. I have to make some minor changes. Press Alt and select your area which you need to remove. Let's make them corrected. And hit delete button. As you can see, we have easily removed our background with Quick Selection tool also. Let's move on to another tool. We have another tool to remove background. It's a Magic Wand tool. It will select the area with ease and you are ready to go. Let's remove the background by hitting the delete button on your keyboard. Last but not the least, the Magic Eraser tool works very smoothly. Select the tool and layer. Click anywhere on the background It was easy, right? So these are some tools you can use to remove background from the image. You have to see which tool works best for your image. I hope this tutorial was easy to learn. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please motivate us to make more tutorials by subscribing to our channel. Take care.